Mai reo rei te iwi, ko tia takarangi chan toku ingoa, no rua tōrea. Nau mai haere mai ki tēnei kōpae e kia nei, ko Toku Reo Toku Ohooho. Throughout this DVD, we'll be looking at how kiwaha and whakatauki used by a tipuna can still be used by us today. Let's meet the crew. First up, there's Kane. Easy on the eye, cool guy.
Kane!
Oh, but I gotta say, he is a bit of a hanga. Then we've got Kemara. Let's just say he's got his priorities. Tamia.
Etahi.
Well, let's just say she keeps herself occupied in interesting ways.
Porou.
And last but definitely not least, this is Heni.
Was that another girl?
E te iwi, that's the crew. You're watching Toku Reo Toku Ohooho. Mā taki taki mai.
Toku Reo.